Today we're going to talk about the miraculous benefits of garlic milk home remedy. This special drink that has miraculous health benefits and it has the power to cure some of the incurable diseases about which we are going to talk about in this particular video. Garlic milk home remedy explained in the classical text of Ayurveda as Lashun Shirpak. To be specific, explained in the Charak Samhita, Chikitsastan 5th chapter 94-95th verse. We all have garlic at home. We all know the benefits in the medicinal use, right from rectal cancer to colon cancer to this rare skin disease scleroderma to unhealed wounds to male sexual problems like the premature ejaculation, erectile dysfunction, for neurological conditions like paralysis, neuralgia, painful conditions like the lumbar spondylosis, sciatica, rheumatoid arthritis. It has the best results. As an Ayurvedic doctor, we use various formulations where garlic acts as a main ingredient. Various formulation. There is the Vacha Lashunyadi Tel for Karna Rog, disease of the ear. It is useful. There is the Vrana Tel for the wounds. It is very useful. There is the Rasonadi Kashayam, Rasonadi Tel, Rasonadi Pinda, Rasonadi Sura, Rasonvati. There is Lashunyadi Gruta, Lashunashtak Churna, Lashunadi Kashayam. So wide range of formulations, each of this have different action. An authentic Ayurvedic doctor chooses the right one for the right patient that cures the disease right from the root cause. It is also said that garlic is having hot potency. So garam swabhav, hot temper, or those with pitta prakriti must not take it. But this special drink that I'll be sharing in this video also suits for those with pitta body type, as the way we prepare it, its hot potency is reduced. It is said as rasayan, which means if it is taken on a daily basis, it acts as an anti-aging medicine. So no side effects, absolutely safe. Without further delay, let's understand about Lashun Sheer Pak and its miraculous benefits. Make sure you watch this video till the end. Namaste everyone, welcome back to Jovis. According to the Ayurvedic belief, Shadras concept is explained. There are 6 tastes that are explained. Madhur, Amla, Lavan, Katu, Tikta, Kashai, which is the sweet, sour, salty, bitter, pungent, astringent. And Rason, which is Lashun, is one of the rare herbs which has all the 6 tastes except the sour taste. Let's understand this recipe. 3 ingredients: you need garlic, you need milk, and you need water. So first step, you need garlic. Remove the husk, garlic cloves, 5 pieces, add it into a vessel and pound it, make it a paste. Second one, milk. Whenever you prepare any Ayurvedic preparation, use boiled milk. So boiled cow's milk 40 ml, add it into this vessel. The third one is 40 ml of water. Whenever you prepare any medicine, whenever you boil it, if you are closing it using a lid, the preparation, whether it's this medicine or any food item or a decoction, it becomes guru, it becomes heavy to digest. If you keep the lid open, it becomes light to digest. So low flame, open lid and boil it till half the portion is left, which means 80 ml of the medicine we are boiling, boil it until 40 ml is left. It would be great if you boil it till 20 to 25 ml of this liquid is left. That will have really good result. The adult dose is 10 to 20 ml twice a day before or after food. It has great results, mainly having an action on the digestive system like the constipation, gas, bloating, Vata related diseases. Because of its potent action against pain and inflammation, it is seen as a great nerve tonic. It is giving strength to our nerves, which means that the back pain related to sciatica or slip disc, Lashun Shirpa is useful. A good part is that when we take it, we do not get the bad odor from our mouth. It is also said that garlic is a tamasic food item. It's true, tamasic means dark, hence those seeking celibacy or spiritual success may not take it. But if you are having a disease, then the concept of tamasic does not apply. The disease has to be treated, that's a priority. Unless you're a very serious spiritual seeker, you may enjoy the benefits of garlic that it provides. Any doubts, any questions, let us know in the comment section below. This was all for now. Do give this video a big thumbs up. Share your views in the comment section. Do share this video further. Until next time, from Jovis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.